visit the college website at www.swc.ac.uk. Search courses to find the course you're interested in. Click on the course to view the available sessions and to find out more information about what you will learn and the course entry requirements. Select the course session you wish to apply for and add to basket. You can add multiple courses to your basket and apply for up to 3 courses. Click on View Basket to view the course items you have added. Remove items if required. Once you are happy with your selection, click Apply for Courses. You will now be automatically directed to the online admissions portal. The first thing you will see is the login page. If you are applying for the first time, you will need to create an account. When you click on Create a New Account, you will be taken to a registration page where you will be asked for details like your name, date of birth, mobile number, and email address. If you don't already have an email address, you will need to create one before you apply online. You will not be able to apply online using a school email address, for example, ending with @c2kni.net. If you have created an account previously, you can enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, you can complete your application. You fill out an online form, and once you've entered all the information, this will be saved. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be filled in. Add the qualifications you have already completed or are currently studying for. You can also upload evidence such as exam certificates or a copy of your qualifications to support your application. Indicate the consents you are happy to agree to. Review the information you have entered and submit application. Select and save your course preference, indicating which is your first, second, or third choice, as appropriate. You can then go to the home page where you will see the progress bar. This shows the progress of your application through to interview if required, offer, and enrollment. On the sidebar, you can view all your applications. Upload evidence such as exam certificates, update your consent preferences, and if you move house, you can update your address details. You can also view all communications the college will issue you during the application process. It is a good idea to check this regularly, which you can do from home or from anywhere you can access the internet.
On the screen you can see where your applications have currently been made. On the left hand side of the screen you can see a section called Evidence. When you click on it, this will open the Evidence Uploader. You can see an option that says Evidence Type. When you choose this, you can go through each one of the options that are there and choose what kind of evidence is relevant to the material you are currently uploading. The one of most relevance, probably at this point, is your exam results. So you can select Exam Results. You can upload many different file types to this. What we commonly recommend is a picture taken on either your mobile device or with another device or scanned in. But as you can see, nearly any file type is properly accepted. Any document, text, PDF, PNG, JPEG or GIF. Next you would actually select which file you're going to upload. We're just going to use a couple of sample files here. This is a sample of an image that is just going to be called Download. As you can see, the file name has been attached and we click on the upload button. Because of the file size, it was quite fast. As you can see now, you can see the uploaded time, a relevant name, the actual file itself, and what evidence type it relates to. Again, you can go to Choose File and upload more than one file if you have multiple photographs to upload. In this case, we're going to choose a document, and we're going to do the same thing and just choose Upload. As you can see, it will not allow you to upload as you have not chosen an evidence type. By going into the evidence type and selecting the correct one, in this case, Exam Results, you're now able to upload the file. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope if you have any other questions, you can ask a member of staff.
To pay your fees online, select Finances from the left-hand menu. Select any outstanding fees to be paid by ticking the boxes to the right of the fees. Then select Pay Online. You will be taken to the WorldPay page. Select your payment method. Type in your card details and cardholder details as appropriate. When you are finished, select Make Payment. Depending on your bank account provider, you may be taken to an additional security page to confirm your payment.